What is up, peeps? We are at the junkyard today and we finally are getting pieces for the Volvo. Luckily, they actually have a Volvo wagon, so that's cool. I've already got the vents because mine is broken here. And also on this car, it is not a turbo. So I'm gonna grab that manifold because my manifold is cracked. Let's get to it. Nice. They've already cut it. So maybe if I just get it unhooked up there, we can pull it from the top. That would be freaking solid. So let's see what we need to do to take the top off. Might have to take this hood off. It's not wanting to stay up all the way. So update, I moved this up here, a little bit more comfortable on the knees and sitting on all that crap. We have taken, where did I throw it? Here we go. We took this cover off. That bolt right here was kind of screwing me, so we just kind of ripped it off. Now we get the actual manifold, which, music. Get the actual manifold off, and man, it has some tiny ass runners. Holy crap, they choked this motor. We'll get that off, cut the O2 sensor, which you probably can see. Man, it has been so long since I've been to a junkyard. I think the last time was with Sydney when we were picking up parts for her car. It's crazy. I used to live in these things back in the day when I had old beater Civics, and I'd come here and get parts to finish them up, or you know, stuff breaking. And it's just wild coming in here now, almost 3 years old now, and there's no EFs, there's no EGs, shit, there's no EKs now, it feels like. So it's just wild to kind of see the junkyards evolve with the newer late models and stuff. So I would like to come once a week, but man, it's just so hard. I mean, if you come when they get new shipments, man, you can make some money. Maybe we can do once a month junkyard runs. Try to make some cool little videos out of it. All right. See if we can get it up. Yeah, let's go. Woo! Oh. Yeah. And just like that, we have the manifold out. So the last thing I need off this car is the window regulator. Mine just stopped working, like it got stripped. So let's start taking apart this door panel and figure out how to get this regulator out. Usually, I would get pissed when people do this type of thing, but this door panel is already pretty mangled, and I don't have a Torx bit. Because these Volvos like to use Torx bits. So, oh well. It is hot, ladies and gents. Gosh damn it, another Torx bit. Ah. You know, it would really suck if this didn't have the same connector. I think I'm gonna have to roll down this window so you can use this Milwaukee battery, if I'm not mistaken. I don't have strippers. You can usually use like needle nose or something with cutters on it and just be easy because you're just pulling the jacket off. There we go. Hopefully I'm right. Don't something up. I'm pretty sure this will work. I see people using Milwaukee batteries all the time to power shit. Aha! Yay! Ah. We got it! Alright, I'm going to clean up the tools, organize them back, put them in and everything, and then we'll go look at a couple cars before we head out. So before we leave the Volvo, I was out in here checking if there's anything else I need. This thing has a damn baby seat in it. Built-in baby seat. Crazy. Volvo, you crazy. That's a pretty nice charger. I think they've got it locked right now. Oh, they don't. Whoa. Let's see if they got the motor in here still. Oh, it's a E6. Oh man, that's funny. Car I was wanting to show y'all. If Y'all can see the front end of it right there. Let's go check it out. I can't believe someone got rid of this thing. It's a Nissan Pulsar, man. And it's stick shift. No. Well, it's locked. Man. This thing would have been killer to have. To clean up. And if I can tell, that thing got T-tops too. Oh man. It's so nice in here. I wish y'all could smell it. It smells of that nice 80s, 90s car. Oh man. There's like no rust. Damn. Man, I wonder what parts on this thing are worth money. I was trying to freaking open the hood, but man, like a nice, are these front wheel drive? Oh, it's front wheel drive. Still pretty cool. Another diamond in the rough. TL Type S, man. This J swap would be sick. That is the motor you want for a J swap. Shoo! I need to get all these Civics gone so I can get stuff like this out of the junkyard, throw it in something cool, and let it rip. I mean, there's all sorts of motors like this in these junkyards that you can use. I mean, there's a couple of Accords here with K-Series. I mean, I'm pretty sure the motor costs is like, I think $100, $200 for a long block. People are sleeping on junkyards. Here's another one. Oh, wrong one. Damn, I thought that was a CRV. I don't know if I put that in here, but that's funny. All right, like I was about to say, here's another one. Great example. Motor, fun motor. K-Series. K24, but still, I mean, you can make some cool power out of these little things. And a slammed Avalon. Yeah! Some old trucks. I think a Mustang. Don't quote me, I don't know my domestic cars too good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a Mustang. I don't know what this is though. Oh, it's a Mustang too. Oh, they're all Mustangs. Okay, I don't feel as bad now. What is this thing? Oh, I can't see the sticker. Sticker's over here. Man, it is sad to see all three of these here. I bet you they wouldn't sell you the shell. Maybe they would. What is this? It's a C10. I mean, this too. Damn, man. I need to get these things out of here. Get them restored. I'm not gonna go to the domestic side. They don't have a nice new Ford like what I have. So, I think we're done. The rest of these cars are kind of just regular traffic, nothing really cool. Let's go pay for our parts and get them installed. Figured we might as well go ahead and replace this. This is the broken one. This is our nice new one. So let's get that one out. So all you do is you pry and you pry and boom, she's out. I think it's the same color. Yeah, it should be. Oh well. And then we should just pop this bad boy in there. Oh. Boom. Yay. And if they don't match, I have those ones which it's kind of looking like they don't match. Well, that's fine. It's a beater. Well, we might be screwed. So, this manifold, let's take a good look at it. It's got its little mounting point right there, correct? Well, up under the car, you can see that mine does not have that. It actually is fully welded down to the cat. There's no section right here, so now I've got to figure that out. But you can see my problem. See where they've got that exhaust manifold cement crap? When I drive this thing, it whistles, and I'm pretty sure it's cracked there. I'm guessing from the weld where they took the flange off. Also, we are leaking oil somewhere, so I've got to figure that out too. So coming online, you can see this manifold has a little flange back here after the flex pipe, which that one does not. It's so weird how it changes. It's a 2000, so it's 98 to 2000 V70. They should all have the same stuff for a naturally aspirated 2.4. So weird. So guess I'm gonna have to order that and then order this guy, which is the catalytic converter full system to fix this problem now, which this should match that guy. And then see right there, we got a weird connection inside the muffler. So I gotta make sure that is right before I order all this stuff. And hopefully we get rid of the whistle while driving. And I'm sure that doesn't help with the O2 sensor readings, which probably helps miles per gallon, yada, yada, yada. So now we can at least maybe put on the window regulator and we didn't get screwed there. So next day out here, I slept on a little bit, and I think I should still try to make this work. Just weld this portion to the portion on my car and just save money. There's no point in buying all that expensive stuff. Just make this one work. We're not gonna do it today. I don't want to take this thing out of commission yet because we got the brown wagon to do and the Miata upgrades over here. So, but it'll be a future project. We'll just hang on to this and try to make it work. But for now, let's move on to putting the window regulator in and getting this car finished and finishing this video out. All right, so since we kind of care about this door, I'm going to take it off the proper way and not be ripping stuff off. So let's do it. I found out why my window doesn't roll down anymore. That's some gnarly damage. Holy crap. I wish we could just replace this and I don't have to take this all apart, but it's looking like we're not gonna be able to do that. So let's get the rest of this stuff off and hopefully take this off a little bit easier than what it was at the junkyard. Also, pro tip, if your window does go out and it starts sliding down or whatnot, you can stuff like cardboard or something in here to hold your window up. Damn Torx bit wouldn't work in this one bolt. So we're gonna cut a flathead slit in it. Well, it looks like we're going to get new ones of these because these little guys are broken that holds this little clip. So let's get those replaced. And just like that, we got new ones. Alrighty, let's get those in the channels and get the thing back on the car. And with that being finished, we're done with putting all the parts on we got from the junkyard. If you like this video, if you like this type of video, these junkyard videos, please let me know. Maybe we'll do like every 1 month, we'll go to the junkyard. There's always parts I can find at a junkyard, so it's no sweat off my back. I love going to the junkyard. If y'all do enjoy this stuff, let me know. We'll do more of them. If y'all want more than just one a month, let me know as well. But with all that being said, I'll see you next one. Peace.